Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about the best podcast recording software, Podcastle. Podcastle offers a number of features that make it ideal for those in areas with limited or poor internet connection. Here are several reasons why Podcastle is particularly beneficial for people with unstable internet. Local recording. Podcastle records all interview participants locally, so you don't fret about poor internet connection. Your studio-quality video files are automatically saved on the cloud database. Benefits of the cloud. Access files from anywhere with any device and never worry about losing files with autosave. Podcastle's recording feature provides an unparalleled audio recording process with uncompressed, local 48 kHz. Waveform audio recording for every guest. Podcastle allows you to invite up to 10 guests for a remote interview and record each guest separately with the highest quality audio and video. Finally, you don't have to worry about storage either. Once recorded, all your files are auto-saved and stored in Podcastle's cloud storage, so you can access your files from anywhere, on any device. Overall, Podcastle offers a convenient and accessible solution for individuals with unstable internet connections. All of these features make Podcastle one of the best online podcast recording software out there. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to click the link in the description to try Podcastle for free.